Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn, and today I'm going to teach you how to do some shuffling intermediate moves. So if you haven't already, check out my other two shuffling tutorials to teach you guys the basics so you can work your way up to this video. The first move we're going to learn today is called the charleston. So we're going to be in starting position, but your knee is going to be in a little bit and your legs is going to be out. So your foot, and so instead of being in forward position, which I call starting position, your knee's going to be in a little bit. See that? So if you watch my other two videos, you will know why I call this starting position for shuffling. So we're right here. So the next step is you're going to bring your right leg in front of your left leg. And as we're doing that, you're going to turn your knee out on both legs. So see how my knees are out? And I'm almost in like a ballet position. You see that? So from the beginning, knee in. As my right leg comes forward, my knees are turning out. So what makes this move cool is the whole illusion of your knees going in and out. So I'm going to show you guys first. I probably should have done this in the beginning. I'm going to show you guys what it actually looks like. You can go backwards. See that? So your right knee is in, right foot is out, facing that way. Going to bring it forward, go into the ballet position, and both of my toes, I don't know if you can see, both of my toes are facing outwards. And my knees are facing out. It's kind of uncomfortable, but it looks really cool, and you're doing it just real fast. It's just all one movement. So from here, we're going to bring the left foot out and the left knee in. So see that? And as I'm doing that, my right knee is going back in. So the knees work the same time, going out and in. So from the beginning, your right knee's in, knees out, knees in, knees out, in, out, in, out. And each time you bring your knees out, your foot comes in front of the other. So it's almost like you're walking forward, right? But your knees are going out and in, and you're moving forward. So knee in, knees out, switch to the other leg. So whatever leg's behind is the one that's going to come out. So it looks kind of awkward when you are doing it super slow because like your knees are in, out, like this position looks weird. But once you do it fast, the whole thing as one movement looks super cool. So to move backwards, you're going to bring, instead of coming forwards, you just bring it in, back. And whatever leg's in front now goes out and then behind. Out, behind. So to go forwards, your leg's out and it goes in front. Out, in front, out, in front. And then whatever leg's in front comes out, behind, to go backwards. So the next move I'm going to teach you guys, I call it the out and heels because that's what I do. I don't know the exact name for it. So you're going to go out with your knees, in, heels, in. So I'll show you guys what it looks like full speed, and then I'm going to break it down. little bit tricky since there's 4 steps to this one move. But to begin, just like the Charleston, so you know how we just went like this, and then our knees were out? That's how we're starting this move. So we're gonna have our right leg in front in this position, this weird position with our knees coming out. So we're out like this, and then we're going to bring, so my right leg's in front, but we're gonna bring them in one line, and our toes are almost gonna touch each other. See that? So my right leg is in front, my left leg's behind, and we're gonna, so it's like this, and we're gonna bring them into a line, like that. So now I'm just in one line, and my knees are in. And this is a weird position to hold also, but you do it so fast that it doesn't look weird. So we're out here, bring it in. And without the heel part that I'm gonna show you, you can just do this and switch. So my left leg's in front, in this position, and then we're gonna go into one line, and my toes are going to be facing each other, and then my right leg is gonna come in front with my toes out, knees in, toes in. Knees out, knees in, toes in. But to add on to this, what I'm gonna show you, so you're gonna come out like this, in, and then this part is kind of hard to balance, but you're gonna do it so fast and with enough practice, it's gonna look cool, I promise. See, these are in, and so you're gonna be on your heels, and you're gonna like fling your toes out like this, and then bring your toes back in. So if you just wanna try that, your toes are in, kick them out, while all of your weight is on your heels. Because my shoe and my toe is not on the ground right here. See that? Like it's all on the ground, and I kick my toe out, and I'm still on my heel the whole time. And so when I do this, sometimes I throw my arms up, and with your arms, even for like the Charleston, you can really do whatever you want. Sometimes I like cross. You can do really anything. With shuffling, I usually just move my arms to my feet. So we're out, in, then we're gonna kick our toes out, be on our heels, and come back in. So since we're back here, now I'm gonna put my left foot in front, knees out, toes out, back in, kick out the heels. So for this one, I always alternate which leg goes in front. So it's like my right, left, left. You can just do your right leg if you want, but it's always good to learn both sides of the move. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to combine the Charleston with the move we just learned. So our knees in for the Charleston. Out. And then since we're right here, this is the starting point to the other move. So here, knees in, heels out, toes in, out, in, heels, back here, and then you can go into the Charleston again. So you're going to bring your knee in, leg up, here. So I'll show you full speed what it looks like when you combine these two. Okay? So also with the running man and the T-step from what we learned in the last 2 videos of my tutorials, you can go from the running man to the Charleston. So you got the running man, go backwards. So how I did that is I used what I call the starting point of shuffling, which is when I make a 4. and I just turned my knee in a little bit, and now we're pretty much at the starting point for the charleston. So you're doing the running man here. You need to bring your knee in a little bit, and then you can start the charleston. So running man. So see it right here. Bring it up. Charleston. And then you can go back into the running man. T-step. And you can also go from charleston. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check out my jump rope tutorials, which I have a bunch where you can learn all different types of jump rope tricks. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe below, give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.